The news that rocked for the last 2 weeks is how MetaQuotes has been shutting down its licenses with broker-dealers around the world, all because they've been servicing prop firms that are outside of the United States as well as the inside in America. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are some ways that prop firms can get back their MetaQuotes license, and what are some alternatives that can be utilized to get a good trading platform for the prop firm. Hey, it's Frank Nagy. Welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial market. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. MetaQuotes has been no doubt the premier forefront of trading platforms for over 20 years. And MT4 has been one of the top sellers. But obviously in the mid-2000s, MT4 had basically left the market and MT5 has taken control. MetaQuotes has been pushing that platform for the longest time because that is the newest type of platform that really works quite well with all different asset classes versus the MT4 model. Many prop firms favored the MT4 platform, all because of the experience and the quickness of using EAs and other bots to work within that platform. And not many of them are very friendly towards the MT5. But now, moving forward to today, brokers around the world have had their license suspended, starting with Proprietary Trading and many others. And many other firms are probably going to see the same pink slip this week when they go look in their inbox and say that their license has been revoked. But what are some of the ways that now prop firms are going to now do business if they know that the brokers that they're doing business with are going to cancel them? Well, some of the avenues are, a lot of brokers are switching over to the CTrader platform. Nevertheless, it is another option for prop firms to utilize when they're working with their broker-dealers, if that broker-dealer wishes to take on that type of trading platform. Another trading platform is DXTrade. They allow all sorts of traders to trade on the platform itself, including US traders. So that platform has been difficult to get licensed with on a lot of these brokers because they've been inundated with all sorts of applications to get licenses. In fact, the European office had received in 4 days 1,500 applications. So what can a prop firm do if they don't want CTrader and if they don't want to take on DXTrade, but yet they are firmly wanting to have an MT5 license? Well, there's only one solution, and you're hearing it from me. Based on my conversations I've had with my relationship in MetaQuotes in Cyprus, they've advised me personally to tell my clients and to tell you guys, if you're looking to start a prop firm and wanting to do business with MetaQuotes, is you need to get licensed. So what does that mean? You need to get a licensed broker-dealer's license. Doesn't mean in the United States. I recommend the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority, CIMA's registered person broker-dealer license. And you can click on the link below to show you how to contact me to get that brokerage firm set up. When you have this brokerage business set up, you are then be able to also apply for an MT5 license. What does that mean? That means you can offer your brokerage services to high net worth sophisticated investors on one side, and at the same time you create also a separate division to hire traders to trade on the MT5 platform, provided that they're not coming from the US, because you are licensed in Cayman, which is offshore. Then you can have as many traders on that platform as you want without having any problems with MetaQuotes, provided, like I said, you don't deal with any US traders. The traders that you're working with are actually going to be your traders. They're actually trading the broker-dealer's capital. You could still offer demos, challenges, and by the way, those traders are not the customer of the broker-dealer. I'm going to repeat that. They are only simply contracted traders that they've paid for education or an evaluation and were qualified to trade your firm's capital. If you're new here and you're looking to start a hedge fund or broker-dealer, I recommend my ebook, The Ultimate Hedge Fund Guide and The Ultimate Prop Firm Guide. Click on the link below to see how you can download that.